This presentation is going to be the first in a series of presentations. The series will follow a book cover job through order processing, approval, production, and onto gang forms, supported by a variety of reports to help manage press, finishing, and shipping. As the first in the series, we will start off by following a received graphic file through prepress as it gets aligned, qualified, prepared, and run through a series of sequences to get the file adjusted to be approved, planned, and printed. Data Manager supports a wide variety of print production capabilities: packaging, commercial, flexo, digital, text, or wide format, and additional presentations will illustrate advanced features for each. Many of these features shown will be driven through DM's integrated PDF editor, Image Tool Server, especially while utilizing some of the embedded features in the cover planner page to handle the production of all types of covers. One of Cover Planner's main features is the ability to convert order information into projected mechanical overlays onto the graphics, verifying fit while providing critical positioning adjustment capabilities. Other specialized workflows are designed to manage processing included mask files to be used in the finishing operations, like spot coatings, foils, or embossing dies. Each file type has tuned workflows to support the verification, processing, labeling, and validating all adjustments have occurred before rendering into a single composite layered PDF file, or submitting all finalized mask files into desired production workflows. While some of the processes are also using advanced connections to outside systems, like PitStop, Printect, Printergy, ESCO Automation Engine, or virtually any hot folder product. We will also highlight integration with layout engines to automate and manage the complexities of finalizing layouts into press jobs. Layouts are automatically harvested for critical layout information to feed back to the MIS system. For this series, we use a combination of Data Manager's Cover Gang Planner service to group, organize, and plan a selection of orders into optimized layouts. The planning service returns back the 4 best options to pick from, which the user converts into a Data Manager planning project with layouts and order assignments staged. If the orders are ready for production, then DM translates the planning information into a file or recipe that the prepress system understands to generate imposed layouts with marks, bars, or whatever adornments are required to finalize an imposed PDF, ready for plating or imaging. Data Manager's ability to read and translate the layout JDF file, which simply is a precise digital recipe or mechanical of how the layout is put together, provides invaluable production information to manage print production. To illustrate how important this information is, especially to a high-volume, fast turnaround gang printer, is that this finishing requirement for each item is on the form impacts scheduling press time to ensure all the finishing sequences have adequate time to be completed, while dovetailing into the volume of what's already being worked on and their order's due date and shipping deadlines. Secondarily, capturing all the job's technical finishing specs, like fold used, page position, flat size, and others can heavily drive the optimization of scheduling layouts, items, components, or pages to the various operation sequences required in the finishing department to minimize lost production time due to redundant setups and adjustment efforts. If Data Manager Print Estimating module is enabled, all pre-press, press, and finishing operations would be auto-calculated to adjust and set all the required waste, setup times, and run times, staging the ability to auto-calculate optimal finishing schedules. In order to generate the JDF and layouts, Data Manager has built-in connectors to automate bundling those orders to a variety of layout planning engines. For this series and this example, we will be using metrics to generate JDF layouts and imposed PDF files. The JDF planning page is used to view and manage any type of work, flat, folded, or bound, using any system's generated JDF, which can be viewed and cataloged in this page regardless if it's a self-combo, a gang form, or a packaging layout. All can be integrated. So to start this presentation, management has just delivered a job bag with a printed ticket to the pre-press department, thereby releasing it to production. The pre-press operator's first task is to locate the FTP supplied graphic to merge into the job, as well as submit that file to a pre-flight routine to check the printability of the supplied graphic for this type of job. So in this instance, the pre-press operator uses the job bag number either by entering it or, if it's been barcoded on the ticket, by scanning it into DM search field to load the designated FTP site and the job's information. If you've seen other presentations, you might already know to do this, we're using DM's Web FTP Site Manager window to perform the job search. From here, the operator can review the job ticket information to help identify the required graphic he is looking for, as well as in this case, the book cover thumbnail contains an ISBN number that should match the selected job's ISBN information. Also notice that this job's title is The Montana Show. The operator visually browses folders and files and thumbnails to locate a potential match. To programmatically verify that this file is intended for this job, the operator can use the barcode translation service to draw a marquee over the barcode on the thumbnail, and the service will generate a high-resolution thumbnail that converts the embedded barcode into text and confirms that this is the correct file for the selected job. Before the operator submits the file to workflow, he can use additional tools to perform some additional visual and programmatic pre-flighting of information between the graphics in order. Information like items' final size, separation lists, and page counts match the order information, or that the document might need additional pre-press steps to address discovered issues, like bleeds or barcode concerns, and black overprinting issues, by using the separations feature. In this case, we note the bleeds need to be added and the supplied graphics barcode is printing in 4 colors and needs to be adjusted to just black. Once files have been inspected and the barcodes matched, it is then selected to be copied into a pre-pressed job folder, as well as be submitted to a designated pre-press workflow that will pre-flight and adjust the image bleed during the process. A simpler workflow is there is no job bag to match, and the pre-press operator utilizes the barcode reading feature to translate and feed a job search to locate the orders and continue on with the process.